I just got back from teaching my dance lessons, and my dress options for the Sports Illustrated Swimsuit Social Club have arrived. Let's try them on. I'm so excited. I already have one solid outfit picked out, so I'm really just looking to choose one of these. I don't know. I'm so excited. Let's try them. The first two pieces are from Revolve. This is a polka dot dress, and this is a two-piece polka dot set. Okay, so my immediate thoughts are it's just a bit too much for me. I think one of it has to do with my height. The other, I didn't think that these had that much stretch to them. I could have probably gone down a size in the skirt and gone down a whole size in the top. I do like the style, but for this specific event, this is going to be a no. This one was probably my number one choice just off of the site. I don't love it though. The zipper is completely bunched, like all the way up here. The proportions just don't seem right. I think this is the opposite problem, that I needed a small maybe in this one, but it's just not fitting right. One more left. I'm trying out the Clarabelle dress from House of CB. It has two pieces. There's the dress itself and then a corset top that goes over it. Part one is on. This is the medium. The small I couldn't close across my back. Let me add the corset. Okay, I think this is it. I do still need to tighten these a little bit and iron it obviously, but I don't know. I think this is the one. Not because it's the last one left, because I totally would go through my closet. I just think this is the one. And it's like night and day from my other choice. So I feel like it's two completely different vibes. I feel so pretty.